step into the 2009 GMC Sierra 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, automatic transmission, clock, in-radio display, daytime running lights, dusk sensing headlights, engine hour meter, 4-wheel drive and passenger airbag. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.